video I will show you how to fix if you cannot receive calls on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification and click on do not disturb, and make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset network settings, enter phone pin, click on continue and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, insert SIM card. So remove SIM tray, clean. After cleaning, again insert SIM tray. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.